When it comes to cleaning parts and machinery, you need a solution that is reliable and easy to use. Built-up grease, oils, and dirt can result in costly downtime. Save time and money with the most effective method for cleaning: ultrasonic cleaning. Ultrasonic cleaning uses high-frequency sound waves to produce more than 40,000 alternating high and low pressure waves per second. As these waves travel through the specially formulated cleaning solution, millions of microscopic vacuum bubbles form and implode. This process, known as cavitation, creates an action capable of cleaning up to 16 times more effectively than hand cleaning. In minutes, dirt, oil, greases, and buildup are removed from even the tiniest grooves to produce a flawless clean inside and out. L&R's water-based industrial cleaning solutions, SF1 solvent-free degreaser and SF50 heavy-duty degreaser get the job done. Both products are the industry standard for industrial cleaning of finished parts, machinery, tools, and components. Eliminate heavy-duty industrial-level grease with the best in industrial-level ultrasonic cleaning SF50 solvent-free degreaser. Made for use in an ultrasonic cleaner, you can see how fast and effective SF50 solvent-free solution works in our L&R 4000 series ultrasonic cleaning system to remove oils, soil, dirt, grime, and more. Formulated to quickly and efficiently remove stubborn oils and tough carbonaceous soils and deposits while cleaning most metals including stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, copper, as well as most ceramics and composite materials. What's more, it does not have any harsh chemicals or harsh odors. For everyday industrial cleaning needs, look to SF1 solvent-free degreaser for daily cleaning across a wide variety of industries. SF1 is formulated to remove light oils, greases, and ordinary shop soils from a wide range of metals including aluminum, stainless steel, copper, and brass. SF1 can also be used on plastics. Look for L&R Ultrasonics SF1 and SF50 for all your industrial cleaning needs. Need help determining when to use which strength? You can download and reference this cleaning chart at lrultrasonics.com. Need help with a cleaning issue? L&R offers a free cleaning evaluation. Send a sample of your most challenging cleaning task, and we will create a cleaning evaluation report recommending the best ultrasonic cleaning system and solution for you. For more information, please call us at 201-991-5330 or visit us at www.lrultrasonics.com. L&R Ultrasonics, because clean matters.